What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Gameloop on your Windows computer. Now, Gameloop is a good Android emulator that you can install on your Windows computer and play your favorite Android games like Call of Duty Mobile and also PUBG, or simply just install any Android application that you want to use on a Windows PC. So the first thing you want to do is open your favorite web browser and then go to gameloop.com. And that should open Gameloop's official website. From here, simply click on the download button, either in the top right side or right there in the middle. Whichever one you choose, just click on download. And then from the pop-up dialog box, select where you want to save the Gameloop installer. I'm just going to save mine on the desktop because it's easier to access. And then I'll click on save and allow the Gameloop installer to be downloaded onto my computer. Now once it's done, I can click it from right here, or I can navigate to where I downloaded the installer, find it and double click on it. And once the installation wizard appears, click on install. Once it's done, you should see a button that says start. You can click on it to start and see what Gameloop looks like. Meanwhile, as Gameloop is starting, you can go ahead and delete the installer. And you'll be left with the desktop shortcut for launching Gameloop. And there you go. There is Gameloop. There are your favorite games. You can use the search function at the top here to search for your favorite applications and games. And these are all Android games and applications that you'd normally install on your phone, but now you can install them and use them on your Windows PC using Gameloop, the Android emulator. There is PUBG Mobile, there is Call of Duty Mobile, and all your favorite games are right there. And that's basically how to install Gameloop on your Windows computer. Now from here, if you want to install any application or any game, all you need to do is click on the game page and then click on install, and it's gonna get installed onto your computer using Gameloop as the gaming client. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.